lads and lasses, we are going to be learning about light-dependent reactions. Now, in light-dependent reactions, you start out with your H2O, and it gives off 2 electrons, and then it goes into photosystem 2. After it goes into photosystem 2, then you have the PQ, which then goes into the cytochrome complex. After it goes through the cytochrome complex, then you have the PC. After that, the light goes through photosystem 1, and after that, you have FD. After you have the FD, you go to the NADP reductase. After the reductase, then you have your NADPH. And then that goes to the Calvin cycle. After that, you have your oxygen, which goes into the ATP synthase. And after it goes into the NTP synthase, you have your ADP plus a P and get your ATP, which the P stands for a phosphate bond. And after that, you go to the Calvin cycle. So now it is time for the Calvin cycle. Now you start off with 6 CO2s, which is carbon dioxide, which then in turn turns into 12 PGA when water acts upon it. Now after it turns into that, then you have 12 ATP, which turns into ADP, and after that you have NADPH, which turns into 12 NADP, and the Velcro fell off. So then, after that, it requires 2 G3P for synthesis of organic molecules. So your 12 G3P breaks off 6 to become glucose, sucrose, and others. And then, via fructose diphosphate, your 12 ATP you have left over becomes 12 ADP, which requires your remaining 10 G3P for group B synthesis, and therefore this is continued and repeated.
Thank you for that perfect video, and we're still recording, so let's exit that out. What's up?